Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Brillion Fi token. Ticker symbol is DUA. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, December 29th, on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token is on the Ethereum blockchain. It says Brillion is a next-gen non-custodial crypto wallet with an integrated self-sovereign identity solution and a focus on providing a superb user experience and safe access to RWA investment opportunities. So they have a document section. You can find all the info at docs.brillion.finance. This token is on the Ethereum blockchain. According to their Etherscan, they already have 2,083 holders. There is 18 decimal places on this token and a max total supply of 61,626,893 tokens. So this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, December 29th at 13 hours UTC time. This token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search DUO, and then simply just buy the token. Should I say DUO? I think it's DUA. Sorry, DUA, and then simply just buy the token. Now, this token here has a webpage, Brillion.finance. You're going to find tons of links over there. So it says Brillion Wallet, the Brillion Smart Wallet, is a shelf smart wallet that provides self-custody of digital assets and identity balancing, privacy, and versatility. It means as an alternative to wallets like MetaMask and Rainbow, with the Brillion Wallet, users can connect to the most exciting dApps and also benefit from a full suite of smart functionalities like social login recovery, private management and verifiable credentials, smart rules. With Brillion Wallet, users can easily manage their digital assets and interact with decentralized applications, whether it's buying and selling NFTs on OpenSea, trading tokens on Uniswap, or simply storing assets securely. Brillion Wallet offers a versatile and user-friendly solution. The Brillion Wallet allows you to create and manage your self-sovereign identity. It allows you to use your self-sovereign identity to access many compliant services. The wallet protects you against the loss or hack of your assets. The web wallet, Brillion, works perfectly on all modern web browsers, whether it's on your computer, phone, or tablet. The Brillion works perfectly on your mobile web browser, whether it's a phone or tablet. This means the dApp will integrate the Brillion Wallet and will automatically support users on all mobile devices. So they have the user profiles. So users can edit their profile by clicking on the profile tab in the app. From there, they can edit their name, profile picture, and other personal information. Additionally, users can view their ZK proofs, profile progression, generated certificates, and account connections all in one place. This allows for streamlined and customizable experiences for each user. You can get the profile by clicking in your profile pic miniature in the top left and then selecting Profiles option. Shows you how to do that on their document section here. Here you can find profile pictures, usernames, ZK proofs, completeness and progress, KYC identity report, social accounts, Web3 wallets, etc. Now, Brillion Wallet offers social onboarding to make the sign-up process as seamless as possible for users. It's possible for users to log into their Brillion using their existing social media accounts instead of creating a new username and password. Currently, Brillion supports several social media platforms such as Twitter, Facebook, Discord, and GitHub. By allowing users to log in through their social media accounts, Brillion makes the registration process faster, simpler, and more user-friendly. Users can avoid the hassle of creating and remembering a new set of login credentials for each platform, as well as the login risks that come with reusing passwords across multiple sites. So they have the wallet dashboard as well. The dashboards is the central hub for the Brillion's features, serving as the go-to point for accessing and managing various functionalities offered by the platform. With its user-friendly interface and intuitive design, the dashboard provides easy access to the tools and features users need to manage their accounts and stay up to date with their activities. The dashboard contains several tabs, including the web wallet, which provides users with an overview of their digital wallets. This includes displaying the number of owned tokens, NFTs, and their digital assets, as well as transaction histories to track the movement of their assets. Now they have the website and dApp connection, so offers seamless interaction between web platforms and decentralized applications with the website and dApp connect feature. So within all the features here, I mean, they have tons of features. They have the social access, they have the Web3 access, they have the smart wallet onboarding, they have the wallet dashboard that I mentioned, they have the token transferring, NFTs and collections, user profile, wallet recovery, settings, website and dApp connection, wallet limits. They go over the multiple identities, and then they have the token, which is getting this brand new central exchange listing on Mexc Global starting tomorrow. So check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc Global one, if you don't have an account. Let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about the DUA token, the DUA token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.